College is named after the great Maratha warrior Shivaji. And Shivaji was, whatever Shivaji achieved, it was only because of his mother Jijabai. So the whole credit of Shivaji's personality goes to Mata Jijabai. So thinking that, we instituted a Jijabai Award in 2010. Give this award to all those women who are working at the ground level. They are not in the limelight, they are not celebrities. So we want to give them a platform to be recognized so that this become a source of inspiration for our young students, so that they get motivated by listening to their stories. So we give them more weightage by documenting their biographies in a coffee table book. We come out with a coffee table book every year with their biographies and some other inspirational stories written by our students. They interview the people and they write stories about them.
नौकरानी से बात की क्या हमारे घर में नौकरानी नहीं है क्यों तुम्हारे पास एक नौकरानी तो है एक नौकरानी एक नर्स एक बेबीसिटर तुम्हारे बच्चों के खाने वाली
In 2010, it was a very difficult task to find out how to go about that. Who is the best? So we started working throughout the year. This Women Development Cell of Shivaji College work through media, internet, by word of mouth. We try to find out people and then we investigate those people. Are they really worth giving the award? And then out of 10-15 which are shortlisted by committee, we come out with 5 names. So these 5 people we give out award. Till 2015 we were giving this award only to women achievers.
But redefining how society behaves in conjunction with women, ये होना चाहिए.
But then we realized, since we have an inclusive society, it's not about men and women. All, whether the men or women, whosoever is working for empowerment or upliftment of a women, we should give this award. So from 2015 we have started giving award to one men also who are working for upliftment of women.
आज संस्कारों के लिए और प्रेरणाओं के लिए टीचर की जरूरत है, तो ये काम मैं करता हूँ, मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है और इस काम का पहला बेनिफिशियरी मैं खुद ही हूँ. मैंने किसी की जिंदगी बदली या नहीं बदली मालूम नहीं, पर मेरी अपनी जिंदगी बदली है, तभी तो मैं आपके सामने प्रस्तुत हूँ. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और जो संवादक है इस प्रोग्राम के, उनको भी मैं बहुत अभिनंदन करूंगा. मैंने इतना अच्छा सूत्र संचालन बहुत कम बार अनुभव किया है. मैम आपको भी बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन. थैंक यू.
This was the basic purpose. Because it is a co-ed college, we want to sensitize our boys about this gender equality. Because if I say I want to get empowered, who will empower me? It is the men folk in the family around me who will support me in getting me empowered. So with this concept, we have started this Jijabai Award ceremony and gender fair so that our young boys get sensitized. They should start respecting women around them, whether sister, mother, or any relation. Once they are sensitized, I think we achieve whatever we want to achieve. Main is sensitization. Let them respect the women. So that is the whole purpose of this. You can see how many male students are there. In our Women Development Cell only, the number of volunteers are more men than girls, more boys than girls. We always tell them, after this session, once you go back home, what will you tell your mother? You will tell your mother to cook food for you, or tell your sister to bring water for you, or you will go yourself. And we make them have a pledge for that. No, from today onwards, we will be different. So these are small initiatives from our side. We are trying to do it. in the society. Let us see how much we achieve. And in my college, if you see all the societies, the convener of most of the 90% societies are women. So we can say we have empowered ourselves. Being me in the chair and my conveners as women, we think we have achieved empowerment, at least in Shivaji College. We don't differentiate.
On behalf of Snahalia, thank you very much for having us. Thank you very much for the award.
Thank you so much for all of you. We are really honored to have people like you to be here and get awarded. It's a really fantastic feeling for us.